Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study from Unacademy Plus. First, familiarize yourself with the platform's layout and tools. Take some time to browse through the extensive course catalog and identify educators whose teaching style resonates with you. Then, develop a realistic study schedule, allocating specific times for live classes, revision, and practice. This structured approach will help you maximize your learning experience and stay on track with your preparation. Live classes are a cornerstone of Unacademy Plus. Make it a point to attend them consistently, as they offer real-time interaction and immediate doubt resolution. Don't hesitate to use the queue and a feature to ask questions directly to your educators. The live chat is also a fantastic tool for quick clarifications and engaging with fellow learners. This active participation significantly enhances your understanding and retention of concepts. Beyond live classes, Unacademy Plus provides a wealth of study materials. Download the detailed class notes and revise them thoroughly after each session. Regular practice is crucial, so make sure to attempt the quizzes and practice questions available. Most importantly, take mock tests frequently and analyze your performance in detail. Identifying your strengths and weaknesses is key to targeted improvement and achieving your desired scores. Effective revision is vital for long-term retention. Set aside dedicated slots in your schedule for reviewing previously covered topics. Unacademy Plus offers specific doubt-clearing sessions. Utilize these to address any lingering questions. If you miss a live class or need to revisit a complex topic, the recorded sessions are an invaluable resource. Consistent revision and doubt resolution will solidify your understanding and boost your confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.